Kungaphezu kwama-900 abahlengikazi ababuthane lapha ukuzobungaza usuku i-International Nurses Day. Kodwa ke bathi basebenza ngaphansi kwezimo ezibucayi.
A celebration alone will not make a nurse happy. What will make a nurse happy is a conducive working environment.
Usihlalo wenehawu esifundazweni uyavuma ukuthi abahlengikazi uma bekhala ngezimo ezibucayi abasebenza ngaphansi kwazo basatshiswa ngokuqondisa izigwegwe.
They are laughing and smiling, but we know that they are heavily stressed. And currently when they raise their voices, disciplinary charges, suspensions, dismissal, frustration, they are sent from pillar to post.
Owengamele UMnyango wezempilo eNorth West uthi zizwakele izikhalo zezisebenzi okubalwa kuzo nodaba lwemholo.
What is due to you that you must be paid for must not be delayed because it's done deliberately. If delayed, there must be an explanation.
Kukhanyiswe amakhandlela ukukhumbula izisebenzi ezaphangalala ngenxa ye-COVID-19.